Hi guys, with another video. Today I would like to explain one of the problem on Prius, Toyota Prius. So what happened? Its engine light was on, and I checked with the scanner, and it shows that code is P1121, and I searched that, and it shows that coolant control valve, which is under this plastic. So what you're gonna do, before you do anything, you drain the antifreeze, drain the antifreeze. Then after that, take it out this plastic. So after that, what I did, and you taking this screw, one screw here, take it all this plastic and pull it back. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take it out of this headlight. I work from this side to get this control valve, coolant control valve right there. This is the one, as you see right there. So what I did, here is the headlight screw right here, and another one, when you take it out of this, then underneath there is another screw. So you will come and turn the this wheel right side, and there is another screw here. Take it out this bumper and loosen it, and there is another couple of screws here too, and you will take it out. And after that, this headlights it comes out. A little is gonna take time to take it out, but be careful to don't break anything. And then just take it out, all the cables what is behind this headlight. Then after that, of course you drain all the antifreeze. Then what you're gonna do, there's a cable right there. See, this is the cable that you need to take it out, and make sure that nothing touched these cables. And then there's a two screw. When you take it out of this headlight, you can go through here, that you can see the two different screw. One is in 10 socket, the other one is 12. And you can see from this side, when you take it out the headlight, your hand goes there, is a way to you can work and take it out the coolant control valve from this side. Once you take it out, but of course, when you there is a three hose, one here up, there's a white dot here. You make sure that the white dot, whatever you have, it should be the up. Don't put the by mistakes bottom of the place. Then one is hose is here, the second is bottom, the third one is under. So you have to take it out to all three hoses, and then after that you just grab the new one, which is, this is not the new one, but this is the older one, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is the way it stays. Like, one is hose is here, one of them here, the other one is bottom, as you see. So once you put all the hoses same place, and of course put these tools, put it back together, whatever is it was same way you're gonna put it. So after that, when you put all the hoses, and what you're gonna do, don't put right away this headlight, just you put the antifreeze from here, and then yeah, just put the antifreeze there. Then this is the one that you have to put a small hose here that you can take it the air from this from here, which is, yeah, it shouldn't be in the air. I mean, it shouldn't be inside on the freeze here. There shouldn't be the air. So what are you gonna do? You start it, put the heater on high, and but you have to close after you putting the antifreeze. Put the cap, and this is also you put it, and just open the this a little bit, not too much. This is the 10 milli, I mean 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter socket, and just lose it, and put the small hose, and yeah, and take it out the bubble, you know, I mean it's air outside. After that, it's gonna be okay, and after that code is disappeared, and I'm the happy guy that I saved the 500 or $600 and doing the by myself. So once again, I repeating again, just drain the antifreeze, then pull out these screws, take it, lose this one, and this bumper also, there's a couple of screws there, just take it out, and your goal is take it out of this headlight. It makes work easier. After that, you're reaching that coolant control valve. Sorry, I didn't video the one by one because I was doing the first time. Then nobody helping me. I didn't record it. So just trying to explain. You can watch another video too, but I succeed, and there's no code anymore, P1121, because I changed the coolant control valve. So here you are. So all right guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye.